Rhino-Rack's Pioneer tray suits a range of popular vehicles including four-wheel drives and utilities. So if you're planning a cheeky weekend away or embarking on a serious four-wheel drive trip, Rhino's newest range of Pioneer trays look sleek, stylish, and complement the look of your vehicle. The Rhino-Rack Pioneer platform and Pioneer tray are the perfect solution to carry all your luggage and equipment. There are 7 sizes of Pioneer platforms and 6 different sizes of Pioneer trays to suit specific vehicles, and they can be fitted quickly and easily. Pioneer platform and Pioneer trays have the same fitment. This video will show you how to fit a Pioneer tray 41102 on a Toyota Prado 2012. Please check the fitting instruction part list to make sure you have all the components. Lay the tray upside down on your work area, being careful not to scratch the tray finish. Lower the crossbars into the tray and rotate into position. Refer to the fitting chart and select the correct slots to suit your vehicle. Place the channel nut within the crossbar and rotate 90 degrees. Place the clamp washer on top of the channel nut and slide both to the outside of the tray so that they sit under the slot. Then tighten the bolt with the Allen key provided. Repeat this process for the other 5 slots. Assemble the M10 by 25 mm hex bolt, shake-proof washer, and flat washer, and screw into the channel nut, then finger tighten the bolts. Refer to the fitting chart for the dimensions and fasten each leg into position, making sure the channel nut rotates within the crossbar. Remove the trim covers, brackets, bolts, and washers. Store them for future use if needed. They are not used to fit the roof rack mounting pads. You will need a RLCP 23 leg kit to fit this Pioneer tray onto the Toyota Prado. Place the foam-covered mounting pad washers over the plastic tubes in the roof channel. Make sure they are fitted neatly around the plastic tubes. Failure to fit the foam-covered washers can result in water leaks. Match the appropriate rubber skirts with the mounting pads and place in the correct position, ensuring the arrows on top point to the front of the vehicle. Check to make sure the rubber skirts lay flush with the car roof and have not folded under anywhere. In order, place the spring washer, flat washer, and O-rings onto the M8 by 40 mm security bolt, pushing them up to the head of the bolt before locating into the mounting pad. Tighten all M8 bolts using the 6 mm Allen key supplied. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this process with the 5 other legs. With a person on either side of the tray, lift the tray up and walk it over the vehicle from the rear. Lower the tray onto the vehicle, making sure the base legs locate within the fitment positions for that vehicle. If any of the legs have not dropped neatly into the recess on top of the roof pads, you will have to adjust the crossbar position and then tighten the M10 bolts. Tighten security screws to secure the legs to the vehicle. Recommended tightening torque 3 to 4 Newton meters. Fit locking tabs to secure the planks onto the crossbar. Use the security screw, spring washer, flat washer, and fit the locking tabs onto the cage nuts within the crossbar. All locking tabs are required to hold the tray firmly into position. Place the M6 screw washer assembly through the heavy-duty leg kit and fasten to the mounting pad using the supplied 5 mm Allen key. The recommended tightening torque is 3 to 4 Newton meters. Repeat this process for the other 5 legs. The Toyota Prado Pioneer tray is now ready for use.